Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this expression that involves the nested exponents, and sometimes this kind of expression is also called the power tower. And here's our question: the square root of 2 power square root of 2 and then power again square root of 2. And now our task is to simplify this given expression. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus once again on this our nested exponents. The square root of 2 power square root of 2 and then power square root of 2. And whenever we are dealing with such kind of nested exponents, we always go from top to bottom. Therefore, we are going to start off from the top. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. Here we got x power m and then power n. In other words, m and n are our nested exponents. So therefore, this could be written as x power m times n. In other words, we are going to multiply out these nested exponents. And now in our case, our nested exponents are square root of 2 and then square root 2 once again. So therefore, we are going to multiply them out. In other words, square root of 2 times square root of 2. Let me go ahead and write down square root of 2 and then times square root of 2. And we could write this one as the square root of 2 times 2. And that could be written as the square root of 4. And that is going to be equal to simply 2. So therefore, whenever we multiply out these two nested exponents, we are supposed to be getting simply 2. So therefore, this whole expression could be written as square root of 2 and then whole power 2. Since this part turns out to be equal to 2. And now let's focus on this expression. We got square root of 2 and the exponent is 2. And here we can see this exponent 2 and this square root, they undo each other. So therefore, we are simply ended up with the answer 2. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the simplified answer for square root of 2 power square root of 2 and then power square root of 2 turns out to be equal to 2. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.